Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Sound and Vibration. Over here, click on Vibrate Vocals and select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with vibrate first and ring gradually, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you can scroll down, choose Advanced over here, scroll down again and tap on Shortcut to prevent ringing. If you wish to, you can select Vibrate over here and go back. Now scroll all the way down and click on the switchers. Next go in Call Vibration, Touch Vibrations and Charging Sounds and Vibration to enable or disable vibrations for those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!